Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Now this is my first video in my channel and my channel is called as Swatches and You. This channel is basically gives you small beauty tips, how to make up for your daily routine, and also I'm going to do reviews on the products which I buy. This is not a sponsored video. So today I'm not going to do much of talking. I'm going to show you the product which I bought from the store. Now this is called as L'Oreal Pure Clay. Now this is a mask and they have 3 different variants for this which is available. Now this I got it which reads as detoxifying mask, okay, and the other 2 variants which they have is one is for the pore refining and the other one is it purifies and mattifies your skin. Okay, now they're giving a lot of introduction on this. This is how the packaging, the box looks, if you can see it. Yes. Yeah, this is how it looks, and behind you have the description given here. Let me open it for you. And this is how it looks. It's a very cute small tub. It's a glass tub. A very steady packaging, a very kind of luxurious look which gives you a very pretty color which is on the cap. This is how it looks. This is basically 50 grams and it cost you, it'll cost you in the store about $7.99. Online might be much cheaper. And I got a complimentary applicator for this. Now this glides very nicely on your skin. It's very good applicator. It can go on the corners of your nose and beneath your earlobes and so on. I'm going to give a very little introduction to this one. It's basically for the detoxifying your skin when your skin is kind of looking very tired and you want something refreshing on your face. This is a mask to go for. Now I'm so telling you very advisingly because this I have already started using. It's about 2 weeks now and I can see much difference on my skin. It gives you a very smooth look, a refreshing look. So let me go on the description and also the usage and day after day usage. Okay. Now it says it detoxifies your skin, it absorbs impurities, fresh and translucent skin. It basically contains a clay called as mondomorillinite clay, which is rich in minerals and it effectively absorbs the environmental toxins, dissolving impurities. It's infused with charcoal activates. Okay, now they've also given the results which is expected after applying this clay. It immediately your skin feels deeply cleansed, perfectly pure and fresh. Yes, usage, you can apply this about 2 to 3 times a week, but since we don't find it time, I just keep it like 2 times a week, but still it shows a better result. Yeah, and cautious thing is, yes, let it not get into your eyes. If it's getting into your eyes, quickly rinse it off. So this is all about the description they've given about this product, and now you can basically see this kind of ranges from L'Oreal. It shows for Asian skin. So let's see how it works. I'm going to show you how I'm going to apply this and the after result. I'm going to leave it about for 5 to 10 minutes. So usually what I do before applying this mask, I cleanse my face. So I've already done cleansing. I have not applied anything to my skin, not even the moisturizer. So it's just, I have just cleansed my face and I have just wiped the towel. Now the face wash which I use, it's a recent one. This is from the L'Oreal Paris again. It's called Sea Salt Whip Foam Cleanser. Now this cleanses very well your skin. It removes all the impurities. I think there's a good one to go with this clay. I will do a review on this shortly. Now let's start applying. I'm going to just remove my few ornaments which I'm kind of wearing it. Now the people who like the clay to be on a small container, that's really fine, but for me I think I'll just use with this only because no one uses apart from me this one, so this is okay for me. But if the girls who are going to share this with their sisters and so on, so they can put it in a container just not to pass on the impurities or something. Yeah, this is how it looks It's a black clay, if you see. Yeah, and it is a very nice fragrance. It has a very soothing fragrance, and yes, it has a nozzle, which it's kind of a little messy. I'm going to show you. They have a nozzle. I'm sorry, they have one more cap which actually covers it. This is how it looks. So basically it's a little loose, so by the time you use and you clean it and keep it, it actually sticks to the bottom of this cap. So I'm gonna start applying this. I've already washed my brush, the applicator. I've cleansed my face. So I'm gonna start now. It's better to make a nice bun. And yes, I'm gonna remove my earrings also. I do apply it on my neck. I'm gonna just start like this. I'm gonna start applying this. Now the texture of this clay is very creamy, so you don't have to keep dragging or something. It's very creamy, it's very smooth, so it just goes on wherever you apply. Let me tell you something about my skin. My skin is a sensitive skin. And I have lots of blemishes on my skin. But this mask is really helpful. It doesn't irritate those for sensitive skin girls. It irritates me though. See, if you just cover over here also, because most of us get blackheads over here, so okay, so I've applied completely on my face. After applying, it doesn't give you that burning effect, tingling effect. It's like a very good pack which holds your skin very tightly. Yeah, do not speak after applying this, and it dries up very quickly. Okay friends, so this is how it looks when it's completely dried up. Over here I've just applied a little bit more, and on my nose also I've applied a little more. It's completely dried though. So now I'm going to wash it off with warm water. I'm not completely like hot water or something, a very kind of lukewarm water. I'm not going to use my cleanser or something. I'm just going to wash it off and dab it with my towel. Okay friends, so I have washed my face, I have cleansed it. I'm going to just wipe it. So I think you can see a lot of difference. I have cleansed my face now. I have not used a cleanser. I've just washed with warm water and I've tapped with my towel. Now this is how it looks. You cannot see very clearly, but when you start using it, you can actually feel it. It's very your skin looks very refreshed. It gives you a very smooth finish. This is how it looks, and it's perfectly cleansed. It completely removes your impurity. As it tells, it is detoxifying your skin. So as you completely has a direction for if you keep using it, you might get a better result. So just a few tips before using this mask. you're gonna just take a steam so that your pores can be open up, and then the mask can have a very much better result because it goes into your pores and comes out. And after the wash, you're gonna just after dabbing with your towel, you're gonna just keep some ice cubes on your skin so that the pores completely close off. Okay guys, so after this I'm just gonna apply a few of my makeup and just go ready. Now if you like this video, please do subscribe and like, and do leave a comment in the comment section if you want to see more of any product reviews, and stay tuned for my little makeup tutorial for your weddings or a party. Everyone, keep up the good health and do like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment on the below section. Love you all. Bye bye.